Hello my dear class 5 students, welcome to the session 2021 and 2022. So my name is Nikita Pradhan and I will be taking your maths class. Now before going on to the chapters, first let us discuss about the contents of your book. Okay, so I hope every one of you have Innovative Mathematics by Good Luck Publisher, right? Now if you go to the contents, you have about 16 chapters starting from numbers and numeration, 4 basic operations, playing with numbers, fractions, decimals, negative numbers and integers, geometry, symmetry and nets, measurement of length, weight and capacity, money, time and temperature, perimeter, area and volume, average, percentage, data handling, patterns, right? Now the distribution of chapter as per your examination mode will be given later on, okay? The syllabus will be given later on. So today we will start with the first chapter. What is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is Numbers and Numeration. You all know what is numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or you have infinite numbers. Now what do you mean by numeration? Numeration means giving name to the numbers, like 1, how do you write it? O-N-E, 1. 2, how do you write it? TWO2, word names. I hope this is not new to you, right? You in your class 4 you have done the numeration till 5 or 6 digits, right? 6 digits. So in this class, that is class 5, we will be writing the word names of 7 digit as well as of 8 digit or more, both Indian system and international system. Okay class, now before moving on to the exercise or the examples, first let us revise the place value chart first of an Indian system and then later we will do that of an international system. Okay, now place value chart of Indian system starts with ones, then you have tens, then 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Okay, now your ones, tens and 100 falls under the ones period. Okay, so ones period has 3 places, that is ones, tens and 100. Okay, and your thousands period has 2 places, that is 1000 and 10,000. Lakhs period has 2 places, lakh and 10 lakh. Crore has 2, that is crore and 10 crore. Okay, now why is this important? The understanding of this is important later on while solving the exercise questions, while converting the words into number or numbers into words. Okay, this is very important. So understanding this is very much important, and also putting commas. Okay, now as per Indian system, one after in thousands place you have 1 comma. Okay, then lakhs period you will have 1 comma, and then crores place you have comma. Okay, now let us take the example from exercise 1A, question number 1A. Okay, so you are given here with the number. Okay, now let's see the place value chart and put the commas. Okay, so thousands place you have 1 and lakhs place you have 1 comma. Okay, similarly with question number B, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So here you will have 1, 1000, 10,000, lakh, you will have 1 here. Okay, now question number C, similarly you start with ones, tens, 100. So here you have thousands place, so here comma, 1000, 10,000 and then again lakh, here you got 1 comma. Okay, so that's how you put a commas according to your Indian system. Okay, now question. So let's carry on with the second question from the same exercise, that is write the numerals for the given numbers. So you are given in words. Okay, now you have to convert that into numbers. Okay, now if you have forgotten how to do it, then just like this you draw a place value chart here. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Okay, Now look at the question. 45,61,403. So 45 will be within the lakhs period. So this 2 falls under the lakhs period. Okay, so 45. Now next you have thousands period, right? So you have 61,000. So under thousands period you have 10,000 and 1,000. So how much are 1,000? 61,000. So you will write here 61,000. Okay, and then you have 403, which falls under ones period. So 403. So your number would be 4561403, and don't forget to put commas. Okay, we all know that ones, tens, hundred, thousands place you have 1 comma, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs place you have 1 comma. So you have 45,61,403 as your answer. Okay, so you were successful in converting the words into the numbers. So if you draw a place value chart like this, then it becomes easier for you. But if you are totally confident about writing the words into numbers, you can directly write down this answer also. Okay, you don't have to draw the chart. But if you are not confident enough, then draw the place value chart, place it like this, the numbers accordingly, and then you write down the answer. Okay, so let's take the second question. The question is 6,21,36,275. Convert this into numbers, right? So similarly, draw the place value chart, that is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and then you have 10 crore. Okay, so question is 6 crore. So you have just 1 unit here, so you will place it here. So what is it? 6. So under the 6 crores period. Okay, then you have 21 lakh. So here you will have add 21 lakh under the lakhs period. Okay, then 36,000, that means it will fall under the thousands period. So this is the one, thousands period, right? So 36,000. Then you have 275, it will fall under ones period. So 275. So your number would be 621,36275. Put the commas. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this would be your answer. Similarly, it's your homework or duty to do the rest other question from exercise 1A, question number 1 and 2. From question number 1 I have solved 3 questions, so rest remaining you will be solving it, and question number 2 I have solved 2 questions, so remaining you will be solving it. Okay, even though I will be sending you the answer, but you too have to solve it on your own, okay, for practice. Okay, and then you can correlate it with the answer that I have given you. Is that clear? Okay, thank you. That's all for today's class. In next class we will be discussing about the international system of numeration. Okay.